video.
Hello guys, today I need to talk something. So I didn't I think I might not make videos for a while, but that will happen soon because sometimes I make videos like that, just some today's videos. If you never heard about that we just take these two videos, I did not get here.
Naingin kasi baby, sa bahay na lang.
And let's show you a Hot Wheel. Hot Wheel, the wind's very fast. Another 10 out of 10. I tested on how we track in Toy Kingdom, but I didn't buy those. Crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. So this might be a little short, but it doesn't matter because I just have to make this video just to see why I bought this at Toy Kingdom. I didn't make Hot Wheels videos for a while, so I did it, and this is another SM Mega More chat time video. You might not notice, but I approve with the background here. No, I'm not gonna show the background. Okay, bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.